Hi, good morning everyone. Just joining everyone right now inside.
यस गुड मॉर्निंग सर.
Good morning, good morning.
कशी आहे तब्येत? हाऊ आर यू?
Tabet is good now, recovered, and even home everyone is fine.
ग्रेट.
Just yeah, so should be good now.
गुड 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 गुड.
Thank you, thank you.
या.
Just admitting everyone. Okay, I think you can see the screen. Health is good, Rohit. Thank you. Okay, so let us see. I think last week का मेरे पास write up ये laptop पे नहीं because I did it from my son's laptop. But I think more or less we were on the same range on all the platform. Mainly Nifty is still between the same thing. It's not gone below 15,400, nor gone above 15,950. We have seen now 34,500 been acting as support right now. It's not gone below this. So 35,000 and between this is where we are starting. I think 34,800 के आसपास में ही close है, right? So we are not able to cross 35,000, nor we are able to go below this. So this is the range in which the entire week we have been playing. So I think it's very very narrow range, and my view is there is going to be a blast on either side soon. Okay, which side it will be, we don't know, right? So that's why we should follow top bottom for the entry on either side. Okay, so वो उस पे खाली ध्यान देंगे, but I think it is moved into very 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 small and you can say in a narrow range so far, right? Even IT around the same all-time high, it is just revolving, they're doing nothing. FMCG is growing, but not much as per what we would like each and every stock to grow. Auto is now again gone back. It is increasing after what there was a good run in it, right? And pharma has got higher. So pharma is doing good. Okay, so we need to see how this indices are performing, but mainly the broadline index, Nifty and Bank Nifty have gone into a very much sideways mode, and we need a breakout on this now because बहुत sideways हो चुका है. It has gone too much slow in day-to-day movement as well, and that is where we don't get good quality trades actually because the market is just slowing down more than what is expected from it. So maybe it is awaiting some news or some thing that it can trigger. Okay, so let's see now what we have for this week. So if you look at it, see it is in a very narrow range. So अभी ये कौन सी साइड फटेगा ना वो देखना है. So it's gone into a squeeze on to daily, और इतना छोटा squeeze है ना, बहुत rarely आपको निफ्टी में दिखेगा. देखो, see over here also it went into a squeeze before which there was a breakdown. Now there is a squeeze. We don't know what is going to happen here, right? It is actually taking support of the lower band. इसके लिए अगर आप देखोगे तो 15,600 के नीचे भी नहीं जा रहा है ये. Okay, it's not going below a particular level, but it's not also going above this. So we need a breakout above 16,000 to go higher and higher, and we need it to break 15,400 or 15,500 to go lower. But it is remaining in this range, and see how many days it has remained in this range. If you look at it, and main thing that you need to see is yeah. See, this was a by default new high before this was made. And now that this has been made, it's taking support on the 15,500. So 15,500 पे continuously it is taking support, but how many days? right? If you look at it, entire month 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. This is 25 candles. Now, 25 candles are in one range. That means the market is not ready either to go on a higher side or lower side, and they are awaiting something. Now, secondly, if you look at it, it's like a cup pattern here which is given a breakout and just taking support on it. So either it is waiting for a new launch pad which will take it higher, okay, or it's going to be a failure of the pattern, then you might see this much coming down. Array, sorry, कुछ गलत ही कर दिया. अरे भाई, ये जो डेप्थ है ना, उतना डेप्थ वो एक बार नीचे आएगा. So this much if I have to come down, okay, so this is where you can expect market to come, which is around 14,500. Okay, so ये एक बार आ सकता है. Okay, I asked everyone to join, they're joining. Okay, so this is something which market will do, but क्या कब मालूम नहीं है. See, it is just steadily staying around this level also on RSI also it is taking support. Okay, so RSI पे भी वो सपोर्ट लाइन पे है. सी RSI का सपोर्ट भी मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ. अगर मैं यहाँ से जहाँ से यू टर्न मारा एक स्ट्रेट लाइन ड्रॉ कर दूँ, ओके, सी it has taken support here earlier, it has taken support here earlier. See resistance on the same line, now breakout, now support, another support. So even RSI shows support at the same level again and again. Okay, so there is something which we need to be careful. So just wait, because I know even top bottom mein, I think the trade has been open for now 10 to 12 days, and it's like कि भाई कहीं तो जा, या ऊपर जा या नीचे जा, कुछ तो कर ताकि कुछ तो हो. So we have got into a very standstill mode in the market, and this is not what I expected when June started, because normally June, July, August are known for its bullish nature, but this time it has gone into very 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 lethargic way of moving. Yeah, it is hovering around moving average also, you can say that. Okay, so let's see what else do we see on this. So it is still here, and I think there is now 66 and 65. So we do have a 3 bar PRD as well now on weekly. Okay, so we had some divergence here. Now we have PRD also here. So it's contradictory itself. You cannot have a PRD where it is with respect to preceding divergence. Dark cloud cover also you can say it's not dark cloud cover, because dark cloud cover में ये 50% कवर होना चाहिए. इसको bearish counter attack भी बोला जा सकता है. Okay, so it's a bearish counter attack, but it is also a PRD. So that's why it is not giving a clear direction where I want to go. Okay, so there is still chance that 15,500 is going to be defended, because this is where we stand at 15,500. If you look at the line, red line, okay, it is the very good support as well. So we need to now understand where this you know is going to go. Currently, it shows into no man's land. It shows a perfect hand. It shows everything on bullish and bearish side both. And if you look at monthly it's a doji. So June ends with a doji. Okay, so now we need to see whether we are able to cross the high of June. Now, second thing, it does not show you any bearishness on the monthly chart. मंथली चार्ट पे कोई बेरिशनेस नहीं है, इसके लिए बिगर फॉल इज आल्सो नॉट एक्सपेक्टेड, बट अ स्लो एंड स्टेडी प्रोग्रेस टुवर्ड्स 16,900 इज बीइंग seen on the chart. So now we need to see whether we are able to achieve this or not. Okay, so monthly is neutral or bullish. Weekly has got 3 bar clearly along with 4 bar bearish divergence in an M setup, and daily is taking support at RSI as well as lower band. So we don't know what the market is up to. I think 15,880 is again the new target for this week once it got traveled to here. So it is moved in a very narrow range in short. So we need to be very careful because any breakdown on this is going to be a bigger one. So we are awaiting for a big breakout direction only market can tell. Okay. So let's write down on that. So Nifty daily doji at lower band support, lower band and price support actually, right? Weekly will say bearish counter attack, 3 bar PRD setup and M setup. Target is this. इसमें सब कुछ है पता नहीं खिचड़ी बनेगा लगता है. No, monthly I am only looking at June. I am not looking at July at all. So I am saying doji is there on June and not July at all. The monthly, my view is for June, and it's at all-time high. Okay, so monthly it's a doji at all-time high. I am talking about with respect to June. In July is still 2 days only, so you cannot count it at all. And now this is not a golden index because daily is below 60, and this still remains intact. इसको किसी ने छुआ तक नहीं है अब तक. Okay, so this range still remains in this same range at top. Let's go to Bank Nifty. See, Bank Nifty is also dojis only. Okay, and it's also in the same range. 35,900. So 35,800 is what I want to break out about. Okay, that is one range. And this is the another range, 34,400. And I think दो बार वो 33,900 से घुमा है because यहाँ पे अगर मैं 43 में लगाऊंगा तो आपको एकदम ही करेक्ट हो जाएगा कि there is a support at 43 mm. See this. So now you understand 43 mA significance, right? So this is the 43 mA actually. Okay, zoom कर दिया मैंने. See, we are above 43 mA. Now 43 mA is also come to 34,500. So now 34,500 becomes a very good support. So this is what it is. सी 34 mA को उसने तोड़ा नहीं है यहाँ से लेके 33,000 से लेके 34,500 तक आ गया है. एंड दिस इज नथिंग बट द ट्रेंड सेटर. ओके, सो जब तक प्राइस इसके ऊपर में इट इज गोइंग टू बी एन अप ट्रेंड. ओके, सो दिस इज वेयर द मेजर ट्रेंड इज लाइंग ओवर हियर. आल्सो इफ यू लुक एट इट from 23,000 it is in an uptrend only. Okay, and still see here it is around 30,000, 31,000. And here also say now it is merging and might have some movement on the upside. So again this shows good strong trend so far. Nothing wrong here. It's just above 60 and it is taking 60 support. So even monthly on uh, there is 4 bar bearish divergence. Okay, but we need a confirmation, and confirmation is going to be below 32,800. Okay, तो जब तक आएगा तब तक देखा जाएगा. Okay, so that is where the confirmation is needed. So you need to see what Bank Nifty is also up to, because after a long time it is above 60 on monthly, and there only it is trying to take support. So if it bounces from here or above the high of June, then only we see it rising, and then 39,700 looks at as a target on monthly. But if you look at this, it's around 60 support right now. So whether it will take support or not, we need to see, and see again that 36,000 or 35,800 is acting as a resistance. Okay, and that mainly is because if you look at this particular part, here you have a gap resistance at this level. Okay, so 35,600 से लेके 35,800 तक एक गैप है. वो गैप को भरना जरूरी है, और इसके लिए 35,800 इज एक्टिंग एज ए रेजिस्टेंस. तो ये गैप अगर भर दिया तो वापस ऊपर जाएगा, नहीं भरा तब तक इधर ही टाइम पास करेगा. एंड सी इट इज एक्चुअली ऑन वीकली टेकिंग सपोर्ट ऑन 20 MA, on daily it is taking support on 43 MA, right? So that is where we are right now, trying to hold the fort. But now look at this also narrow range. So now either side breakdown or breakup will take the market, because this also has remained intact for almost more than a month. So both ways it is remaining in the same direction. Okay. So if you write Bank Nifty daily doji at MA20 resistance, okay, but at price support. सो इसमें भी खिचड़ी है, कौन सी साइड जाएगा अब तक खुला खुला कोई भूल नहीं रहा. Okay, so markets are in a tight zone, and they are not decided where to go. इसमें भी सेम है. आई थिंक इसमें डार्क क्लाउड कवर बोल सकते हैं कि इसका लेंथ बड़ा है, ऊपर से चालू हुआ है, और ये यस यू कैन से इन दिस केस देयर इज अ डार्क क्लाउड कवर वीकली. Just below 60, and monthly at 60 support, right? And again, if you look at this is same the same. Okay, इसको resistance ये कुछ तो गलत हो जाएगा. ये कहाँ से आ गया? तो 950 से घूमा है 2 बार. So now this is again the range. You don't see much changes here. Okay. Now let's go to the other sectors. फटाफट फटाफट. क्या हो गया? अरे यार. Okay, I'm running two things in parallel. इसके लिए थोड़ा बंद हो गया, मेरे को रिस्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा. एक्चुअली एक जगह पे मेरा सर्च रन हो रहा है फॉर न्यू स्टॉक्स इन इक्विटीज. इसके लिए इसको थोड़ा दिक्कत आ रहा है. वापस थोड़ा जूम करना पड़ेगा. जूम जूम जूम. so now we are okay. मेरे को लगा दूसरा विंडो बंद ही करना पड़ेगा. Let me close down the other window. Okay. ठीक है. Now is it okay? I moved it actually. It is not on the main screen anyways. Yes, okay. Let us now पहले मैं इसको बंद कर देता हूँ. So I just got मेरे को ये पूरा आ गया है. I think this is okay. Let me just save this. Okay. Okay. ठीक है. तो अभी मैं इसको निकाल सकता हूँ. I was running here the same thing. इसके लिए वो hang हो रहा है. So now again look at this monthly IT index has no worry at all. Okay, it is just growing. And if you look at this, there is a new breakout here, and it's trying to go bandwalk. So upper band resistance थोड़ा बहुत है इसको, लेकिन फिर भी bandwalk है. And again there is a doji here, so it seems to be doji at support. See, this is a bull size share, और वो bull size का जो black candle है उसी को उसने doji बनाया है. So now there is a chance that it will go to 29,500. Okay, so there is some 500 points here in this index, and we can see that. So let's see IT stocks for buying. Okay, जब तक IT में buying है ना, तब तक मेरे ख्याल से तो बैंक निफ्टी भागने वाला नहीं है. Okay, so this is now again daily doji at price support. Okay, it is a golden index now. Diamond में भी all time high से थोड़ा नीचे आ गया. Okay, golden लिख दिया इधर. That means I'm not going to repeat anywhere above 60 for this, because golden का मतलब all time frames are above 60. And weekly doji at bandwalk and upper band support still. Okay, because it's a black doji, but it is a doji and it is above band, so you can still say it is at band support. And June ka month has ended with a good sign. So it's a big candle, see, big white at all time high. Okay, so June month has ended with this and new all time high. Okay, so still it's a golden index because currently it is below the all time high. Okay, but it might still make a new high. Okay, so IT is looking good. Let's see other things. Infra normally we do see. So infra has got a shooting star. Okay, and it is now showing you some sign of retracement. But let's see whether it breaks down this 4300. या ये भी अभी 60 सपोर्ट पे है. See, इसमें भी M setup है, and this is showing some, fall compared to the others. But see, this again is at ये 4300 के नीचे जाने दो इसको. Okay, this is where again the CIP is. Okay, so we need to see whether it takes support here or not. Oh, this looks pretty much as a CIP to me again. It is looking good. So infra stock should be looked. So we might see Nifty rising in the coming week. If you look at this hammer, and now we are supporting the hammer low. So hammer and hammer retested around 40, and monthly and weekly above 60. So this looks good for buying. We will have to check infra stocks as well. Now Reliance Infra is doing good. Okay, so we should be holding it. Looks decent actually. See, FMCG again a hammer at daily and also in a range, small range. Okay, so hammer even at 20 mm by the way. And no divergence. See, price is also lower. This price, closing price of this is 36,216, and this is 36,287. So price is higher and RSI is higher. So no divergence here. So this still looks good. So there is no bearishness even on weekly now. And monthly also I think it has crossed this level 64, 65. So ये यहाँ पे 3 बार bearish divergence था ना, उसको भी उसने तोड़ दिया है और ऊपर लेके गया है. So 36,200 is where we are right now with respect to this. So this is still a diamond index, all time frames above 60, and monthly still at all time high. एक मिनट, कोई रुका है क्या? Zoom, zoom, zoom किधर गया भाई मेरा zoom कंट्रोल किधर गया? पापा. Okay, no. Okay, so FMCG completed clear target now at all time high. Okay, so Delhi hammer at 60 and MA20 support. So lever still looks good to me for next week. Weekly band walk started. इसमें band walk दो ऑलरेडी पहले किया था, अभी कहाँ है क्या? नहीं, हाँ started लेकिन nothing there. Okay, weekly small candles since 2 weeks and resisting upper band. By the way, monthly at all time high band walk started. Monthly band walk कर रहे थे. हाँ, दो कैंडल में तो है. So now it is not. Okay, so monthly all time high. Okay, so it's a diamond index so far. Let's go to Nifty Auto. Auto में I think पहले फार्मा आता है. So pharma, ये क्या है? हाँ. Okay, so that was pharma, and now see it has gone higher and made a new high. So pharma is making new high. It's a diamond index. Now you need to be careful because there is a 4 bar bearish divergence here, but it will need confirmation, and confirmation is below this. So below 14,200,
होईल कल पर.
right? So now we'll have to wait. So this looks okay to me. And here also it is looking good, but it has got a gap up. There is some support here. It's at a new all-time high. So daily is at upper band resistance, 4 bar bearish divergence on weekly, but nothing, no wrong signals on monthly. So daily doji at all-time high and upper band resistance. Weekly 4 bar PRD setup और साथ में भी 4 बार बेरिश डाइवर्जेंट सेटअप। ओह, कर क्या रहे हैं ये लोग, पूरा खिचड़ी बना के रखता है। ऑल टाइम हाई टारगेट पे ऑलरेडी दे दिया है उसने। एक मिनट, इसका वीकली का टारगेट आ गया है क्या? दिस वाज द पीआरडी हियर, और पीआरडी का टारगेट कितना था, इसका डिफरेंस कितना था? 3930, 700 पॉइंट, और ऑल टाइम हाई का है अभी। ओके, सो 15,200 actually is the target. So more 700 points you can still go from here. But then there is also Paris divergence setup. अगर ये 700 पॉइंट चला गया तो वो कह रहे हैं वो 15,200 का टारगेट है, और यहाँ पे 15,059 तो दिखा रहा है। So we need now to see the stocks carefully to understand what it is. There is a breakout, and there is also a, see, running candle taking support. Okay, so this is one level which it had to cross. This is the second level. This particular candle, the last month, which is June, took support on this and it bounced. And now July is about that. So July has made a new high. So now we need to see whether we survive this or not. Okay, so डोजी नहीं बनाया इसने, न्यूट्रल कैंडल बनाया, मंथली न्यूट्रल कैंडल at ATH. Okay, so now we need to see what happens here. It's a diamond index. Okay, main thing, let us also see VIX then, because VIX is the one which is falling, and the markets are going into a slumber state. Normally, falling VIX makes market grow. Okay, it should run in the up direction, but that is not what we are seeing. Okay, now look at this. We are at resistance of price and also 60 resistance on auto sector, but parallelly we are at 60 support on weekly, and there is nothing wrong here. It is at price support. See, price resistance, and that is where we are having a support. So now there is a chance it might come till 10,900 or 11,000. There is some steam left here, and once it crosses this level 11,300 या कुछ है ये वाला, उसके ऊपर में जाएगा तो it has got that, it has directly, and then 12,000. So auto sector is also looking okay on weekly. There is no bearishness on monthly. Monthly क्या बनाया वो दिख नहीं रहा actually. Monthly is a spinning top और a doji. So अगर इसका हाई क्रॉस किया तो नया हाई की तरफ जाएगा, इसका लो टूटा तो नीचे जाएगा, but it's a doji at 60 support by the way. So it's again looks good. See, again it is at CIT and everything. So monthly भी उसने सब किया है. Let's see what it does now. We need to cross 11,000. It's a good breather the market has taken so far actually. So let's see now. So Nifty auto, daily भी देखेंगे, daily क्या था? Daily is at resistance of 60. Okay. Now market is on vaccination वही लग रहा है, because It has gone into a very slow state. Daily at 60 resistance, but at MA 20 support. Okay, weekly evening star below 60. Now, no. Weekly is a doji at 60 support. Okay, and monthly at 60 support and rising. So this is what we are right now. So, matlab, see, signals are on sector wise. FMCG is bullish, auto is bullish, pharma is almost bullish, IT is bullish. तो बाकी का दो बेंचमार्क साइडवेज क्यों घुस गया है? Okay, so Nifty and Bank Nifty have gone into a very slumber state. Now let's also understand few more. एक तो ये देखना जरूरी है. अच्छा, इज एनीवन फॉलोइंग निफ्टी फाइनेंस सेक्टर? वो जो नया चालू किया है वो जिसमें ट्रेडिंग होता है, इज एनीवन ट्रेडिंग दैट? Because my view was to see if we can have top bottom done on that. So I am doing actually for this 6 to 8 months जितना data है मेरे पास, but I don't think so it moves much. उसमें भी बहुत slow movement होती है. So has anyone done anything on that stand? See, VIX is resisting 40 and it is falling and also resisting 20 MA. इसके लिए मार्केट स्टेबल ही रहना चाहिए. ये भी 40 के नीचे है and this is coming for 40 support. See, VIX will remain here. Sorry, go करो ना. ये थापा, ये रहने देना भाई, कल कर ले. यार डस्टिंग डस्टिंग मत कर भाई. Okay, some dusting happening at the office, so I have to say no to it. So VIX is also not in favor of the bears actually. ये भी नहीं है. मेटल क्या बोलता है? Metal has also gone into sideways after a bull run, and it also has got a weekly divergence and trying to do something, but it supports somewhere. ये बहुत दूर है, तो ये एक बार यहाँ तक आएगा. So metal shows some retracement. There is nothing else actually in the market. और I think PSU banks and private banks भी कुछ इतना ज़्यादा ये नहीं दिख रहा है. So this is at 60 resistance for PSU banks and also price resistance. इसके लिए ये भी ज़्यादा ऊपर जा नहीं रहा. और यहाँ पे एम पैटर्न भी है इसको भी. So it is at price resistance, bearish divergence and सब है इसमें भी. So mainly PSU banks are not showing any strength. यहाँ पे खाली एक ही है, गैप सपोर्ट पे है and also price support. Need to see whether it sustains or not. There is nothing else. Let's go to stocks now. Okay, let's go to my favorite first, Reliance. So Reliance has got 40 support. So actually I have entered as well on it. I think 2110 का price पे I have bought in equity, and mainly it's because It's now bouncing from the price support, and now you can see it rising. And it's still having 60 support on monthly. So there is a low of 2099 on this. So you can have it as a equity if you want, with half of this as your stop loss, 2065 or 2060, and you can enter into equity. Okay, let us also see it on Reliance. Actually, I'm also looking it into this here. It's at 60's resistance here, but it's a good consolidation that has happened on hourly. And how much you can expect is 2094 is the low, 2135. So another 40 points you can expect on the upside. So Reliance looks good, but I think we might miss the entry because it's already triggered. It was about, I think, 2130 or 2132. Now we'll have to wait. So I will not give a trade right away, but let's wait for it. Okay. Over here it gives me till 2196 is the target. So that another 40 point gives me around 2185 or 2187. So that is where even it will take, and this is where the resistance is. So yes, if you are holding it, hold it. But to initiate a new trade, I think we are late because this is where it was. It was to be initiated on Friday itself. So now we can't do anything. Let it be. It looks good actually. Asian Paint. एशियन पेंट लेना बहुत जल्दी बना रहा है. Hmm. See, RSI on this particular thing, एक मिनट है, ये कुछ मैं गड़बड़ देख रहा हूँ. हाँ, ये अगस्त के लेवल से मैं तो तभी सोचूं कि गलत क्यों जा रहा है वॉल्यूम वाज नॉट शॉर्ट properly. This is where it is at 60 support. अभी इसको हटाकर समझेगा 3017. Now we do have a trade because इधर पहले 43 दिख रहा था तो मैं अभी सरप्राइज था बट नाउ इट इज ओके 85 2300 तक जा सकता है ये and Doji is also there so that's right. Let's go to FMCG straight away. Keep this same. This river is looking good. It's a 60 by support, a doji. Here also it's a 60 support. This also seems okay to me. So the barriers divergence has been taken out by the way. So this is looking okay to us. Okay. Let's go to Nestle. जाने दो। लगता है मैगी में आजकल किसी को इंटरेस्ट नहीं है। ब्रिटानिया 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 immediate second support there, but it looks dicier because this is something FMCG sector is at diamond time, and look at Britannia and Nestle. They are all time frames are below 60. That means ये रैली में कुछ कर ही नहीं रहा है जो कर रहा है वो यूजर कर रहा है डाबर कर रहा है आई थिंक हाँ डाबर भी नया हाई मारते जा रहा है this is one stock which you can keep it in your equity. It's looking good on the time frame and it is just following a single uh, trend line since multi years now. So Dabur is also looking good. Can be, as one of your portfolio stocks if you are interested in buying portfolio. So this is what it has done. Not done anything. Just थोड़ा नीचे जाता है फिर वापस ऊपर आता है. लोअर बैंड तक को भी छूटा नहीं है. It's a good stock actually. So Nestle, Britannia, Hindustan Unilever we saw in FMCG. One very volatile, but I normally used to trade this. इसमें भी देखो 60 रेजिस्टेंस है and index is at all time high. Oh, कुछ हजम नहीं हुआ. Look at this. इसके ऊपर में बाई करो इसको. You are getting a very good signal out here. So still the flag is quite valid जब तक ये टूटता नहीं है. तो 1660 का stop loss है actually इसका 1660 or even 1640 and hold it. If it crosses 1740, you are expecting it to go from 1475 to 1730. तो काफी बड़ा है ये. इधर ही है. कॉपी मार दो इसको. So expecting 1920 on this and pretty soon. So something again in equity can be hold up. And look at this. Perfect setup here also. तो ये हाई के ऊपर जाना चाहिए बस. Your buy is above 1740 है भाई. या तो इक्विटी में लेना है तो अभी ले लो चलेगा. This looks good as a good setup on equity. मंथली क्या दिखा रहा है ये? अरे मंथली भी तो अबाव ही है. So this looks okay and above this तो डेली को भी 40 के 60 के ऊपर लेके जाएगा. So looks good actually. Okay. So almost FMCG I think we said just are getting Hindustan Unilever mainly this, but ये काफी volatile है और इसका risk is bigger. So I'm saying this to be bought in equity rather than in cash futures. Sorry. Okay, let's go to Maruti and the auto sector. See where Maruti took support actually. Now there is a chance of it to rise, but need to be resisting 60, so buy only about this particular high. Monthly also approaching 60 and that is where it is resisting. So we need it to cross 70 only. ये लाइन के ऊपर. This is what we need a breakout now. Tब तक I will not suggest anything because daily is above 60 and it is doing good. But at the same time, और इसमें भी flag setup है. Look at the volume here. See this volumes. ये चारों पोल में अच्छा खासा वॉल्यूम है और इधर देखो वॉल्यूम ही नहीं है. Okay, so this is something really need to be seen because this is also a flag setup. एक बड़ा वॉल्यूम है, एक बड़ा कैंडल यहाँ पे and we are expecting a movement of 6800 to almost 800 points. 800 points above this, it takes it bypass 8300 also. It goes above this level. This is already at 44, and even if you short, your target is going to be less. And that is where even is your support. So rather than that, I think 40 support and price support, it should be bought around 39.82. इसको भी ऊपर में एक्चुअली एक गैप रेजिस्टेंस है जहाँ पे उसको बीच में हो रहा है और नीचे में 40 सपोर्ट एंड प्राइस सपोर्ट है. दैट इज द रीजन व्हाई मार्केट्स आर स्टैंड बाय. ये सब स्टॉक्स भी ऐसा ही टाइम पास कर रहे हैं. See, one thing that I will tell you is in this market, anything which is at around 40 now, it does get a bounce. But 60 के ऊपर टिक नहीं रहा है. And we saw that in Asian Paints also on Friday. We bought it because it was at 40, 60 support. So 60 support ज़्यादा टिकता नहीं है. But I think anything which is around 40 and 40 support, it is showing some improvements and some bounce. So you have to search something which is around 40 for us to buy. So Bajaj Auto is going to be in the radar. Maybe let it come down to 3982 and then see what it does there, because that is where it will be at price support and 40 support. Doji at 20 mm, but there is a very much black candle with a good volume here. The shooting star at 50, 20 mm. See gap resistance as well, so ये gap को उभर नहीं पा रहा. तो शॉर्ट कर सकते हो क्या? Below 20 and if it comes, the short is around 92 and then there is support around 877. Okay. बट बहुत छोटा ट्रेड है और उसका रिस्क बड़ा है क्योंकि 92 की शॉर्ट है, उसका हाई इज 15. सो ऑलमोस्ट 15 and another 8 rupees. So 23 rupees का risk and reward is very less. So sports is also not looking that good. और कौन सा आयशर बहुत रहा है, आयशर तो डायवर्ट कर रहा है. टाटा मोटर्स तो यार दैट so buy it in equity and hold it. Okay, I'm holding almost now 1500 quantity. But वो क्या है ना, it will just take time. But You will see 600 in that one day, maybe a year or maybe 1.5 year. Yeah, yeah, in equity you can hold it. No worries at all. See, इसमें भी एक्चुअली फ्लैग टाइप सेटअप है. ऊपर है फिर ये है, ये खाली थोड़ा तो ही ऊपर जाएगा, तब तक ये नीचे ही जाने वाला है. ठीक है. सी हियर इट इज 45. अभी इसको शॉर्ट भी कहाँ करेंगे हम, ये प्राइस सपोर्ट है. यू शॉर्ट एंड देयर इज अ गैप सपोर्ट हियर. इतनी ट्रेड ढंग का नहीं है. लेट्स गो टू बैंकिंग. ये भी हवा में ही लटक रहा है. सीरीज एंड गैप सपोर्ट एंड इट इज डूइंग दैट. गैप सपोर्ट कर रहा है, लेकिन RSI देखने जाएंगे तो 52. सो अगेन इट इज समवेयर वेयर. हीरो मोटो चेक तो किए, हीरो मोटो में भी तो वही था. हीरो मोटो भी चेक. इनफैक्ट आज ऑटो में तो काफी मैंने चेक किया बिकॉज आई वाज लुकिंग फॉर अ ट्रेड ऑन इट, बट does not give a perfect trade yet. See, perfect. Voltage is at 40 resistance. Okay. बाय होता है इसके ऊपर तो जाने दो. शॉर्ट भी कहाँ करेंगे, ये तो पूरा सपोर्ट पे रुका है. मार्केट करना क्या चाहता है. So SBI also has got इधर बुल सेपरेटिंग लाइन है ना, उसका ही सपोर्ट है उसको. 420 only if it goes, then only there is going to be some fall in this, but again there is immediate lower band support. तो ये है क्या है ना, ऊपर जाने का सिग्नल है ना. मतलब ये भी साइडवेज ही लग रहा है अभी तक तो. बच्चे की जान लेंगे ये लोग. There is not a clear signal or not a clear trade. Let's see, LSD. These are gap support, but again RSI is 46. And weekly it has broken 60. ब्रोकन, अगर ये ब्रोकन नहीं रहता था ना तो चांसेस था कि बाई ट्रेड इधर मिलता था अपने को LND पे. और ये वो मंथली जो शूटिंग स्टार बन की है उससे, वो भी 60 के ऊपर जस्ट आगे जाती है. अरे भाई करना क्या चाहते हो? Infra stocks was showing some pullback, and this is also same. देखो इंफ्रा में भी 40 सपोर्ट के आसपास आ रहा था, वीकली और मंथली 60 के ऊपर था। यहाँ पे तो वीकली भी टूट चुका है। This is at 60 support on weekly. No, exactly 40 support और price support है इसको यहाँ पे। This looks decently fall after 6 candles. It's a doji or bullish harami, and it's an RSI support as well. So you buy about 20 MA. Okay, so let it go about 20 MA. That is where your buy will trigger. And once it triggers, it can take you to the 6950 मैंने रखा है. Upper cut the resistance वो गिन के it is around 70. So I kept around 52. So let's see. Because also it is at weekly 60 support. Weekly is at 60 support and also 20 MA around. So this is price support also over here 6654. So let's see whether it triggers or not. Looks decent. This is a very decent formation now. हम्म, I was looking at Bajaj Finance. वो तो आया ही नहीं. अभी ये क्या कर रहा है भाई साहब? It is approaching 60 on. अरे भाई ये इधर तक आएगा CIP के लिए. So again, it is a doji. See, it's actually a bullish haramia. ये जिन जिन में वो pro gap वाला कैंडल सीखा है, they should be telling this, right? Because it's a black candle followed by a doji which is a pro gap. तो ये भी अभी ऊपर जाएगा नीचे जाएगा वो डिपेंड करेगा कि ये हाई या लो क्रॉस करेगा कि नहीं. बट हाई क्रॉस करेगा तो ऊपर तुरंत दो शूटिंग स्टार्स है. So, दोनों जगह पे वापस टेंशन है. But if you look at the range is quite big. So you buy above 660, it takes you to 100 points up. And your short is below 5957. And your 5957 अगर शॉर्ट होता भी है तो आपका टारगेट 100 पॉइंट नीचे है. There is actually both side movements possible in this stock actually. और नॉर्मली अवॉइड क्योंकि ये काफी वॉलेटाइल रहता है. अरे वाह, TCS is a buy सीधा. See, it's a doji at 60 by the way, which could different मिला. TCS looks good. 60 support daily and can have a buy. Let's see that. Infy, Infy भी वैसे दिख रहा है और support. This is also looking okay. So it's a doji at upper band. So buy about the doji high. सीधा model. This is all looking good. IT is looking good and lever is looking good. That means still there is sideways movement in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Even LTTS is at support. So software companies are all at support. Let's see, LTTS data, LTI, it's a hammer. And but ये सब companies now, I'm not trading because they've just started. Mindtree is also looking good. This is also finally L&T only. It's a doji at support. ये नहीं दिख रहा है इतना अच्छा. And one more stock for equity is Wipro. You can hold it in things. See, Hammer and Hammer retested. This looks decent for a new target. Maybe you might see again 565, 564 coming up in this. तो ये अभी भी अच्छा दिख रहा है. Okay, so this is looking decent. See, Hammer and Hammer is retested with the doji, and that's not once. There is one more hammer here, hammer here. So this is looking good actually. So can we hold this in equity? मैं इसमें नहीं बोलता हूँ फ्यूचर्स में क्योंकि इसका लॉट साइज बहुत बड़ा है. This looks decent. So we saw IT, pharma, बाकी है auto. So we now need to see pharma first. Yes. Okay. shows that island reversal है इसके ऊपर में बाय कर सकते हैं नहीं island reversal चला गया it had gone into a narrow reach वही है 1010 के ऊपर ही बाइंग आई थिंक हमारा बहुत पहले का भी 1010 का बाइंग था वो ट्रिगर ही नहीं हुआ था अब तक वो साइडवेज में ही है पूरा नहीं है जाने दो उसको ग्रैन्यूल्स वगैरह फ्यूचर्स में मत टेस्ट करें फट जाएगी उसको पकड़ के रखोगे तो सी ऑल दिस थिंग्स ये सब फ्यूचर्स का आइटम नहीं है उसको तुम इक्विटी में पकड़ो ठीक है यू कैन नॉट होल्ड समथिंग लाइक दिस क्या है कुछ है ही नहीं इसमें Titan is fine. Titan has already given breakout, and I think target भी आ गया. We had given a target of 1800 in stock in equity, and I think भूषण अकेला था जिसने उसको रखा और लेके भी गया. I think he booked profits as well. अभी भी 60 सपोर्ट से बाउंस हो रहा है. So I think 1800 is possible on this. Decent. तो दिस वाज द रीजन ये छोटा डब्ल्यू कप पैटर्न था जो उसका 1800 का टारगेट है. आई थिंक इट गेव 1800 ऑलरेडी. बस हो गया है.
For future में 1770 buy
बाय कैन भी या 1768 के ऊपर बाय कर सकते हैं.
और stop loss.
स्टॉप लॉस विल बी 1740. ये कैंडल का लो 1740. and you can expect around 1800 or 1810 as the target. And this is interesting. Doji at previous high after the breakout. So Pharma also had it, and now even Dr. Reddy shows the same. But this confirms only below 5400. So you have to see what to do with Dr. Reddy. It's a buy about 5608 or 5610. Not much movement at all. Yeah. Pawan, are you holding it in equity or in futures? Equity, if you are holding, I think that is fine. Equity is got good breakout also from 1600, I think. So if you are holding it in equity, it is fine. हाँ, then that is okay यार. पकड़ के रखो 2021 आएगा. You will get good amount. 2100 you can sight on that particular stock. Everything is at doji, but if you look at it, it is also with bearishness. See, the price has gone higher. Simultaneously, this has gone down. Let us see some confirmation before we take any trade. I think कल का दिन बताएगा confirmation. Then we can take some trade on farming. D's में भी है. But it is all about the band as well. See this. But both are about the band. यहाँ पे तो there is nothing, so it is gone higher. Dailies or weeklies looking good. Daily band has started. So if anybody is holding again 444 is your stop loss actually. But now there is no new entry. So Auro had a neutral candle and also resisting 20 MA. Sorry, upper band and 60. Glenmark, I think I'm okay. We are holding it in equity since 605. Still continue to hold it. Currently does not give any entry anywhere. हाँ यार ये छेद ही सही है, इतने सारे छेद है ना इसमें, इसको ऊपर आता है तो बहुत टाइम लगेगा अभी. So there's not a resistance here itself. There is a gap here, then there is a gap above, then above. बहुत सारे गैप है इसमें. Okay, let it be. I think we'll stay with four right now. We'll not go for more. Okay, so these are the only four things right now that we have. Okay, let's see how many of that gets us through. Okay, anything anybody else has और कोई बात स्टॉक देख सकते हैं. If you have anything in your mind, let me know. Like JK paper, I think someone had suggested. Let me see that. लेकिन वो already भाग चुका है, अभी इसका कुछ फायदा नहीं. अरे ये क्या डाल दिया ऐसे? नहीं क्यों है? अरे ये क्या हुआ? Something wrong with the Pidilite. Pidilite is also moving up steadily. कुछ problem नहीं है. ये सब स्टॉक्स है ना, Pidilite है, then Asian Paint, and this all are actually equity stocks to be bought and kept. See 821 88 चला गया है तो टाइटन को इससे भी ऊपर जाना चाहिए. It's doing bang up since almost 6 months now. You know ना एक दो तीन चार पाँच 5 महीने से बैंड वॉक कर रहे हैं. Okay, CDSL and all. अगर न्यू हाई है तो छोड़ दो उसको. ओके सो एंट्री नहीं मिलेगा. The only thing is I'm not able to go and switch क्योंकि कुछ तो गड़बड़ है in advance yet. Okay, now let me just try to do it on the other screen. मेरे को अगर जा रहा है क्या? मेरा एडवांस गेट कुछ तो क्रैश हो गया लगता है because I'm not able to get it stabilized. ये क्या हुआ? तो मेरे को ही डाउनलोड करना पड़ेगा अभी. ये यार पता नहीं. So I'm not able to get into the equity stocks, but एक minute. CDSL we can even check on this. And JK Paper also I can check. Let me just. CDSL. JK Paper was already a buy about 170. 170 के ऊपर मैं buy था. अभी तो चला गया है. There is nothing now. 226 जाके है. This is where it was a buy. और उसका टारगेट भी दे दिया almost. 88 का 145. So 60 rupees was the target. Or 60 rupees उसने दे भी दिया. So now there is nothing left in it. और CDSL क्या कर रहा है? Oh, CDSL was a buy here. It was a cup breakout. Look at this. 395 का उसने 3 times दे दिया already. अब जाके क्या फायदा? अभी तो खत्म हो गया ट्रेड. Look at the monthly RSI is around 88. ये सब चीज़ जो है. One thing which I was looking into it was this Bajaj Hind, and Bajaj Hind was a buy around यहाँ पे 12.8 पे buy था वो. And it just went like this. Bajaj Hind was looking good. ये एक अच्छा स्टॉक है एक्चुअली बजाज हिंद. I think Zensar we are already holding. So Zensar is also one of the things which has taken 60 support and now it is bouncing. Now it should go above this. 350 के ऊपर निकलेगा तो it will show you directly 400. This is also looking good. Okay, I think there is some issues with the advance gate, but I think that is fine. We have done the day, so I think there are only four trades right now. And the equity, and I was actually sorting out. और वो equity का search में ये पूरा I think it went somewhere lost something and it is not restarting now. So we'll have to see now where I've saved that equity issues. Okay, so I think that's it, and we'll see you all next week. Yeah. So thank you everyone.